stuck. Okay, so Michael, he pre-cut another piece of the film, and he is gonna work in pair with Roman to install this large piece of film. Ideally, it's very good to work in pairs if you have a chance to. Of course, it could be installed by one person, and that would be also fine, but when you have an extra hand, it makes the process a lot easier. So we have to wet the film. We have a special tanks. They are pressurized tanks, and this way the water flow is really very good. It minimizing water flow. You're using less water, and it's a lot more efficient. Okay, next film is on the window. Right now, okay. We have our T. Okay, good. From top to bottom. That's it. It's that simple. As long as you have really nice and clean glass, the window film installation, it's, you know, an easy process. Okay. Yeah, you also have to be careful when you're doing strokes. Obviously, Roman does it a lot. He already knows how to do it, when you need to slow down, and if you need to slow down when you're doing your strokes with Squeegee, because it's very easy to crease the film if you will go too fast or the film will not lay properly. And the last thing before drying the edges, you have to pre-cut the film. If you have an excess on the edges, you need to do it. We're using a hard card from one side, and a sharp blade goes between the frame and the card. This way it's gonna be super close to the frame, and in window film world it's very critical, and I would say very professional to do it close to the frame. A lot of guys do it. I would say like what? Not hand-free, but card-free, freehand. Freehand. Okay, that's the right word. Freehand without using a card. It's also possible, but I think this method with the card, it's more precise and probably safer to do versus trying to freehand it.